Hello Mark, how you doing? My name is Angel Diaz here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to take some time to show you your 2020 Cadillac CT5-V, and we're gonna dive right into it, okay? All right, Mark, and as you can see, here is your CT5-V. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. As you can see, you got your traditional grille for Cadillac right in the front. You have your LED headlights, LED turn signals. You have even the lights where it comes down right into the bumper over here. It's pretty nice. You can see the grille and the vents that it has right here on the side. It goes all the way across to the other side. It's just a great looking car. If you come around the side, you see you got your 20-inch alloy wheels with your all-season tires on it. You also have the little emblem over here letting you know it is a V series. If you keep coming a little bit further, the good thing about this car, you got automatic power folding mirrors, blind spot monitor on it. You have your turn signal on it. Also on the door handles, as you can see, you got illuminated door handles, which actually work really well nighttime. Okay, move further to the back. As you can see, this is just a great looking vehicle. This is just sharp looking. It looks bougie. It's all-wheel drive, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can take it out anytime. You have a button back here for your trunk. As you can see, that 60-40 split. You got your rubber mats over here. Let's close this over here, and let's just move along the side. I don't know if you can see in the video, but you got all your little sensors nicely well hidden in the back and front of the vehicle. And check this out. Now this is a very good looking car. As you can see, you have your whisper beige interior with jet black. You got red stitching running all around the seats. It's just a great looking vehicle. Let me take a seat back here just so you can see how comfortable it is. Plenty of space. Right here you got some more cup holders, little armrest over here. You got a USB-C back here as well. These pockets, they're actually very cushiony and comfortable. As you can see, you could store stuff back there. You got two air vents as well. You also have dual panel roofs, so you got one back here as well, which I will show you a little later on. I'll open that up for you. Let's go. All right, Mark, and here we are in the cockpit of the 2020 CT5-V, and I just want to go over a few features. For one, let's start over here in the door panel. As you can see, you have your 4 power windows, automatic, front and back. You got your button for your foldable adjustable mirrors. They're also heated as well. Over here you have a couple settings for memory seating. Let's go over here on the side of the steering wheel. Behind the steering wheel over here, you have a button for the electronic parking brake. You have your button for the heads-up display. You do have your paddle shifters because you can put it into sport mode and use the shifters to shift gears up and down. You have this nice big steering wheel. It's actually heated. You have a few buttons over here. You can control your cruise control over here. You got your volume, your voice command over here. You have this dial over here which controls this infotainment system, this digital infotainment system over here. You have a few options on what you can do. You have your original clusters over here, speedometer, your RPMs. Now we can move over here towards the middle. As you can see, you have this nice 8-inch display, all touchscreen. As you can see, you got navigation. You have all your different Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can control your climate. Anything you want to do, you can do right from this system. You got your volume over here to change the stations. You got your home button. You come down a little further down, you got the couple air vents, and you have your climate control. There's also dual climate control as well. If you move a little further down, this is where you have your heated seats, ventilated seats. You got your parking sensors, hazard lights. You have the same on the other side. If you hit this button right here, take a look at that backup camera. You can see the trajectory moving around in the front. If you have the camera in reverse, it'll show it in the back as well. As you can see the full visual of the vehicle, nice 360 view. One thing I do love, of course, every car must have wireless charger, and this one is equipped with wireless charging. Right behind the shifter over here, I don't know if you can see it, but you do have a couple buttons. You have your auto start button here. You have your hold button, which engages if you have your seatbelt on, and you have your drive mode. It'll show you your different drive mode. You can go to track, sport, tour, whatever is more convenient to you at the time. As you can see, very, very good looking. You have also a little lever over here. You push that in. If you're a little taller and you want to just kick up your feet a little bit, there you go. It's just more comfortable for you. And you got some carbon fiber, got a little bit of red and gray going around the passenger side, also the door panels as well. You have the shade for your dual panel roof, and you have the buttons to open up the roof. All right, Mark, and there you have it. There is your 2020 Cadillac CT5-V. It is still available. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please give me a call. The number is 401-428-4576. Thank you. Have a great day.